Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save any Instagram story that you have uploaded to your gallery or the Instagram stories draft into your gallery. So first, let's try to create an Instagram story by clicking on this plus icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then we will choose story from here. And now, for example, I'll choose any particular photo. For example, let's say this photo right here. And now what I will do is, for just the sake of this video, I'll apply some random filters on it so that it is easy to distinguish. So for example, let's say this filter right here, and then after this, for example, you want to upload this but also want to save this to your gallery. So what you can do is click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen, and you have this option which says save. So simply click here and it will start the processing, and then once the processing is finished, we will receive a saved copy of this particular Instagram post with all the filters intact. So here you can see it said video saved. So let's move on to our gallery and see if that worked or not. So just refresh your gallery, go to your albums, and here you can see that the Instagram story has been successfully saved to our mobile's gallery. So that's how we can save any Instagram post without even uploading it to our gallery. So if you want to get out from here, simply click here, and if you want to discard the changes, you may, or save the draft as well. So for now I will discard these changes, and now I have successfully saved my Instagram story to our gallery. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.